Hello guys, today again I am going to discuss about the third poems for the student of class 10. The name of this poem is A Tiger in the Zoo. The poet described the mental state of tiger in the cage and outside the cage, means in jungle. There are two mental states. One, when the tigers are in the jungle, forest, and when they are in the cage in zoo. There is a comparison between the life of the tiger in the wild state and in the natural habitat in the cage. Obviously, according to the poet, the wild animals should remain in their natural habitat and not cage, because in cage they are captivated, they are imprisoned. So, according to poet, the wild beast or the tiger must be in the open field or in the jungle, because one must not snatch the freedom of the wild animal. Here, the first stanza it is given, the poet said that the tiger is now imprisoned in a small cage with concrete surface. In spite of all her strength, he moves in despair in the stony surface of the cell. At that time, whenever we people go to zoo, from outside the cage, we tease the tiger. But what they will do with you? They will simply become angered. So their teeth, sometimes their claws, sometimes they will also tease a snarl sometimes. After all, they can do nothing. In the second stanza, the tiger remains disturbed by the patrolling and the patrolling cars, even at night. At night, in a late night, some of the tigers, they were sleeping inside the cage, some are still awake, but the patrolling car comes and gives the focus of the light. At that time, they were getting disturbance. He has lost all hopes of getting into the natural habit. They only pray to God that they must free it. One must not, no one has right to snatch the freedom of wild beast. He seems to be searching for some hope and rest in the brilliant stars. His eyes are brilliant, which implies that he hopes the freedom. They have some hope that a time come when they will get free. But it was not possible because of the fierceness of the tiger inside the jungle. It happens, and in the meantime we have seen that the poet pities that the tiger should have been lurking and sliding in the tall grass. We will get, when the tiger will be free, they will be in jungle, they will just lurking under the tall grass. And as the other wild animal like camel, deer, and some other animals comes, they will just snatch or they will just spring over them so that they will get their enough food. But question is that the poet requested us that a tiger must be inside the forest. They must not be in the zoo, because there they are captivated. They cannot do anything, so they must be freed. Thank you.